So, today, meron akong pinag-experimentan.
Yes.
At alam mo naman ako, experiment and experiment.
And me too.
Can you please get this?
Where?
Dito lang.
Okay. But how do you...
Oops, don't see my boobs. I'm pretty sensitive at my...
Hey guys, we have a new person is hugging. But he's not even a person. He's a plushie.
So guys, first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take off the glitters because it's so glittery. Did you
Yes,
see that?
bro. It's so
And this
good.
is orange.
Yes.
And where's this? Where's yung ano? And this is my homemade with water. And I let you see this in the first video, the latest.
And this is my Huggy Wuggy. So
And this is our new member, Huggy Wuggy. And I think this is too creepy. Yes. But Abby loves it, so I love it too.
because this is not even a real. This is only a plushie.
Guys, we're gonna pour it.
There's no Huggy Wuggy in here in the Philippines. Only a game.
Oh no.
Oh my
It's
God.
full of glitters, guys. Huwag mo hawakan kasi baka maano ka ng glitter.
Oh my goodness. Wait, what? Oh my, there's so many arms. Oh my God. And it's so little. So little.
Look, it's pupunta sa may ano ko. No. Can you get me the tissue?
Okay. I'm gonna play. Meow meow. It's not even creepy. This is not even creepy, guys. This is fake. This is only a plushie.
Yeah,
I bought this. It's at 20 pesos.
and it's 60 cents or 50 cents. It's 50
And
cents.
I just see a bigger one. But probably
So we
this
have a
25.
deal. We're gonna get. Can I get that one?
What?
Another one.
I'm gonna get all of it.
Plan holding. Look how much glitter I have too.
Oh yeah, bro.
Oh. Diba kaya ayokong paano sa yung glitters.
Oh my goodness, there's so many glues I couldn't even tell. Oh,
I think I'm not. Okay.